Hi and welcome back to Joan's Climb Back in a Caravan.
This is a little introduction to our interview that we had with Carefree Caravanning, Keith and Michele. As you may be aware, they had a rally that wasn't actually a rally a couple of weeks ago. And although the rally didn't go ahead, most of the people actually did turn up. And we were lucky enough to secure an interview with them. One of the reasons for the rally was that they were going to
They had a Just Giving page,
raise money
to raise money for the Alzheimer's Society, of which the description will be linked below. So any donations from this to them would be gratefully appreciated. The minimum donation is £2. Now on the Just Giving page which they've got, which is www.justgiving/carefree-caravanning, that will get you to the page. Now it does say £10, but you just have to delete that £10 and put in whatever you feel that you can afford, but it is good because this can happen to anyone.
Yeah. So without further ado, we will lead in to our interview with Keith and Michele.
Deja vu, isn't it? Deja vu. Well, we're Keith and Michele.
Yes, and we're from Carefree Caravanning on YouTube.
Yeah, so we're here on New Lodge Farm, which is a rally that we were going to have, but sadly it didn't happen because of the COVID. So
yes.
Having said that, everyone's still arrived, so the site is still full. And we're having a great time, and it just seems like everybody else is as well.
Yeah, it's been lovely that so many people have still come to the site, supported the site, supporting us, and it's just wonderful to see everyone mingling at a socially distanced, acceptable level. But everyone's just enjoying themselves, and the sun is out today. We're just sitting down, having a chat, having a drink, and it's great to see everyone.
It is. It's been such a lovely. I mean, we've been here this is the third day we've been here now, and we're literally just about getting round to everybody. I know you've been here, but it's just you can't just say hi and see you later. So everybody wants to chat. So we've had a great time. And
you've raised some money, haven't you? For
we have.
Yes, it's for the Alzheimer's Society. We do have a Just Giving page, which I'm sure you guys will put a link in the description for us. So far we've raised over £1,000, which is incredible. So thank you to everyone who has donated.
My claim to fame is that I topped the £1,000 for
Did you?
Oh, did you?
Brilliant. Oh, thank you.
I looked on the giving page and it said £960, so I put 40 in, and then there was some additional added on, so it went
Gift aid.
to
Gift aid,
£1,006.
Well, thank you so much.
That's so kind. People have been so. The thing is that even if it's just £2, you know, but it doesn't matter if it's £2 or 200. It's every single penny counts, you know. And we left a bucket here when we were last here 6 weeks ago, which we're now collecting, and there's £20 notes in it, there's £10 notes in it.
Yes, and people are still donating this weekend, so thank you.
So we're going to book a holiday to Spain on that. Yes. So no, that'll all go in the bank when we get back, and that'll all add up. And
so that'll pay for your 14 days self-isolation.
It will. It will, won't it?
No, on a serious note, we will be keeping the Just Giving page open until next year. So if anyone would like to donate, please do.
Yeah, I mean we don't know when we're going to be actually holding the rally now, because I know we said May or June time next year. Having said that, it's not down to us. It's down to the government and how people behave in the UK. And as soon as we know, we'll put it out, and we'll actually probably won't promote it because you know, everybody's wants to come.
It's probably fully booked
So it's
already.
fully booked already. And we had, I mean, the site keeps saying you need 2 rallies because the amount of people that actually wanted to come, because there's so many on the cancellation list as well. So
Yes,
we won't do 2 rallies. One was enough. One is enough, which didn't even happen. Even this didn't happen. We're still trying to get round everybody, and so
But,
yeah.
anyway,
Well done anyway on,
thank
raising
you.
so
Thank
much
you.
money. It's,
Thank
Been
you.
so lovely.
And it's lovely to meet you guys. So thank you, James
Yeah.
Plans, back in a caravan.
Absolutely. Thank you very much indeed.
Thanks. Well, I hope you all enjoyed that, and we'd like to say a big thank you to Keith and Michele from Carefree Caravanning. Take the time to be interviewed by us. They were extremely busy that weekend, and they were spending loads of time with lots and lots of people. So we do appreciate it, don't we, Dave?
Yeah. And it's not every day that you get to interview a big YouTube star. So thank you very much for your time. And it only leaves to say, stay safe in these times. It's still around.
Yeah.
So from there, all we can say is TTFN,
and
see you soon.